Place aluminum foil in boiling water. This is better than nothing. That's what the rich do and don't tell you. It is possible that you have never considered using aluminum foil in this way, but once you discover its benefits, I assure you that you will want to try it. This simple tip can be extremely useful. To start, place a liter of water in a saucepan and heat it over medium heat. Then add half a tablespoon of baking soda and half a tablespoon of sugar. Make sure to mix the ingredients well and let the water reach the boiling point. While the water heats up, take a roll of aluminum foil and cut it into 4 parts. These pieces will be the base to create some aluminum foil balls. With 4 parts, it will be more than enough. Just at this moment, the water has started to boil, so throw the aluminum foil balls in the saucepan. You may be wondering why we are doing this. The answer is simple. If your pan is old and opaque, this tip will be of great help. Insert all the pieces of aluminum foil into the pan together with the aluminum foil balls and let them boil for 10 minutes. You will see how the aluminum foil, combined with the water and the ingredients, performs a magical cleaning on your covers. Once the boiling time has elapsed, you can turn off the heat and proceed to wash the covers normally, using water and detergent. Then you will see with amazement how your covers acquire a renewed, bright appearance and as new. It is simply wonderful, and you will feel proud to rescue your covers from their worn appearance. If you want to repeat this process often, you can do it, but it is advisable to leave a space of at least 20 days between each treatment to prevent the metal from wear unnecessarily. In short, the technique of immersing aluminum foil in boiling water is an ingenious solution to revitalize your cover and make it shiny. It is a tip that the rich know, and now you too. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this suggestion. If you have come this far, leave me the phrase "shiny covers," so I'll know you saw the whole video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can continue to enjoy all our tips.